So now let's create a new state which is selected artist. Okay, selected artist set, and this is going to be an empty, put null here. This is also fine. So inside this use effect, what I am going to do is, if global artist, okay, global artist dot length greater than 0, just put this, okay. Global artist dot length is 0, okay. So then global artist dot for each item, okay. If item dot id is equal to our this id, okay. So in that case, what we will do, we will just set we will use this set selected artist, okay, set selected artist, and inside this set selected artist we will pass this item, okay, and we just simply return. So right now what we will do, we will just make code changes inside our return function, okay. So here the artist dot name, inside this artist dot name, so right now we have artist, right? So we will, what we will do, selected artist dot dot name, okay, selected artist dot names, what is this, okay, CLE selected artist, okay. So selected artist dot name, and beside the name, let us add one more div, okay, div dot artist follower, okay, verified. We will add here verified icon, okay. Let us use this one, verified icon. So this verified icon, and let us add some styling, okay, fill green, okay, verified artist, okay. So now let us see in our application, okay. So right now it looks something like this, okay. So and also let us add the background color, okay, sorry, not background color, background image, okay. So the background image is, let's create a style, okay, background image should be something like this URL, okay. So selected artist images of 0.url, okay. So now right now we just need to pass this style, okay. So we just need to pass this style, okay. So now if you see, okay, so you see we have something, this image is coming, okay. It will got a fix when we add other component, okay, not other component, like other fields, okay. So now let us add one more thing, the number of follower, okay. So selected artist, inside the artist we have a followers, okay, dot total local to local string. So now you see we are getting this comma separated, right? So that's why I was using this this to local string, okay. So now let us add the SCSS file, okay, in artist playlist.jsx, import dot slash util slash music player dot scss, okay. So now if I save the file, you see our the styling is done, right? So now it's time to print all the tracks, okay, whatever the tracks we have inside inside this API, okay. So let us print, okay. So for that track we want to create a new component, okay, such that we can easily able to print, okay. So now artist track, okay, dot map, okay, item comma index. So return, let us create a music player, okay, music player component, Inside that music player component, let us pass some field, artist, album, item. Let us pass these keys, otherwise we will get warnings. Okay, so and pass this index as well, and a new a hide function. Okay, because I will tell you why I am passing this hide right now. So let's create this music player component inside this utils. Okay, music player.jsx rafce. Okay, music player. So now import music player from utils. Okay, so for this music player, so inside this music player component, let us create this music player component. Okay, so first let us write the props. Okay, whatever data we are passing from its parent. Okay, the first one is artist, artist album, right? The second one is index, and the third one is hide. Initially set that hide to false. Okay, like if we do not pass this data, okay, then this hide values automatically should be false. Okay, so artist, album, index, and hide. Okay, so inside this return, let us pass let us write some react.fragment. So inside this react.fragment, let us write div.song track. Okay, inside this we have the track name. So let us write the index +1 so that we can show the numbers. Okay, the first song should be 1, second should be 2. Okay, so like this. So div.song image, song p. Let us pass the source should be artist, album. Okay, artist, album. Inside the artist album we have that album. Okay, and album images of 0. Okay, .url. Okay, so now if I save the file, let us see how it looks like. Okay, so it looks good, right? So let us write the others as well. Let's put the name as well. Okay, artist, album dot name, right? So see, we are getting our name and this artist images. Okay, so now what we want is the other field, right? The time section field, and that icon, right? So div.details. Okay, div.progress. So for the time and other field, here I have imported this circular progress. Okay, from MUI material UI. Okay, so let's write hide and circular progress. So right now if you see this circular progress, so in this circular progress we will pass the popularity. Okay, so if I show you, we don't want to use this full this animated. Okay, we just want this static. Okay, based on the popularity, this full circle will this circle will be. Okay, so circular progress here in the variant we will pass determinate. Okay, and in the value we will pass in this artist album we have a key which is popularity. Okay, the popularity is between 1 to 100. Okay, so we will pass that artist album dot popularity. Okay, so if you see, so this circle is different, right? For this song it is different, for this song it is different. So okay, and we want one more thing, the duration of this song. Okay, so for this duration of this song, let's create a new div.dur and duration. Okay, so here let us create a pass that hide as well again. Okay, play arrow, so class name. Okay, the class name is play duration. So see at so when we are hovering on any of this song, you see we have this icon, right, play icon. So this is what we want. And so let us add one more field for the duration. So duration, and so that timing should be before this player. Okay, so this player should be at the end. So div dot duration, hide, and artist album dot duration ms. Okay, so if you see this the duration is in millisecond. Okay, so let us convert in the minute and second. So for that let us create a function. Okay, second duration. Okay, so let us write this second duration function, constant second duration, either millisecond. Okay, so for this let us find the minutes. Okay, so minute is math.floor this millisecond divided by 60,000. Okay, and for second millisecond modulo 60,000. Okay, divided by 1000. Okay, dot to fixed 0. Okay, so now return this minute and seconds. Okay, so now you see we have this minute and second. Okay, so let us write this as well. Okay, so see 3 point okay, that is fine. Let me give a space. Okay, so now it is fine. The duration is perfect, and the songs and all things looks good. So now what we have to do, whenever any user will click on any of the track, okay, so that song should be played here. Okay, so let us add that thing. So in the right side nav bar, okay, if we go in the right nav bar, so you see we have commented some of the code, right? Whenever, so in the handle add playlist, okay, this is add to your playlist, and global set selected song. Okay, so in the selected song we have to add, okay, we have to add the song such that that song should play here. Okay, so if you go in the redux, so right now we don't have anything kind of selected song. Okay, so whenever any user click on any of the track, that song should be added in that selected. Okay, so in the artist playlist let us call a function. Okay, inside this music player here. Okay, handle play. Okay, artist album. So now let us call this function handle play. Okay, so here we will write, here we will write our logic such that this album is getting added in that selected state. Okay, so let us create a slice. Okay, inside this store for selected song. Okay, let me check artist update. Okay, login. Yeah, so let us create selected song. Okay, selected slice.js. Okay, so just copy this thing. Okay, and paste here. So initial state, okay, selected selected okay, what was the name in the right side navbar? Selected song. Okay, so just put the selected song name and keep initially it should be empty. Okay, selected song slice. Song update. Okay, we don't need this for this is login. Here we need selected song, selected song action.payload.data. Okay, this is fine. Song update, we need to pass song update here, and instead of login slice, let us write selected song slice. Okay, selected song slice. Okay, so now our reducer is ready. So one thing we need to do, we just need to add this in store, right? So selected song, import selected reducer. Okay, from / selected slice, right? So selected reducer, if you go in the right neighbor, selected song dot selected. Okay, so here the song is, just pass this one, selected reducer. Okay, so now it is so we have added this reducer in the store. So now we can call this reducer from here. Okay, not here, in the music player. Okay, so for calling that reducer, we just need to import the dispatch. Okay, use dispatch from React Redux. Okay, constant use dispatch, and we need to import that slice, right? Import song update. Okay, so this song update we have imported. Okay, so now let us call dispatch song update. Inside this song update, we just need to pass this album. Okay, so now if you click on any of this track, okay, let us just refresh, and you see inside the song we have this selected song, right? So if I click on any of this song, see this song. Okay, this is not getting updated properly. Okay, only action.payload. Okay, so now if you click on any of the function any of the track, so let me click on this one. See, so see here we are, the selected song is updated, right? So now if I click on any of the other song, see the song is also getting played automatically, right? So our the basic functionality is done. So now what we have to do, whenever any user click on this add to your playlist, so this song should reflect here on the left side. Okay, so let us create a favorite slice. Okay, favorite slice.js. Okay, and just put this code here. Okay, favorite slice here. Initially the favorite song should be empty, and favorite song slice. Okay, okay, favorite. Okay, favorite song. Okay, and here so the function is favorite song update, fav song update. Okay, so here action.payload. Okay, in the favorite song. So this is done. So what we have to do, we just need to add this reducer in the store. Okay, selected reducer, favorite slice. Okay, So now the slice is also getting added in, and now what we have to do, we just need to add this track in favorite song list. Okay, so in the right nav bar, whenever so here we already have this handle add playlist function, right? So let's move in the handle add playlist. Okay, favorite song edit I have imported here. Okay, favorite what we have, sorry, in favorite slice we have this favorite song updated. Okay, so in the right sidebar, favorite song updated. So let's call this favorite song updated here. Okay, whenever any user click on that add playlist. Okay, inside the dispatch, let's pass this favorite song update. Okay, so for this favorite song update, what we have to do, we just need to pass that song, right? This select, what is that song, the selected song. Okay, this global state. So now if you go in this function, so here let us just print this action. Okay, so if you click on any of the song, suppose you click here. Okay, so we got the action dot payload. Okay, action dot payload, inside the action dot payload we have all the details. Okay, so if you go in the action dot payload, sorry, in favorite song update, so action dot payload, what we have to do, we just need to iterate the previous song. Okay, suppose we already have some data in the favorite song array. So what we have to do is state dot favorite song, at the end we just need to append this action dot payload. Okay, so just put the 3 dots. Okay, if we click on any of the songs, suppose I click on this song. Okay, so inside this we have to just print all the favorite song. Okay, so for that just constant, okay, sorry, favorite song state dot, what is our redux, state dot fab song dot fab song. Okay, fab song dot fab song. Okay, so now let me just print this fab song once. So see, if I refresh the page, you see in the favorite song we have one song. Okay, so we just need to print this song. Okay, fab song dot map item comma index. Okay, so we have a component, right, music, which we have used in music player, not in music player, where in the artist playlist. Okay, we have used, right? In the left side, let us write the music player. Okay, so inside the music player we just need to pass tist artist album. In the artist album, this index should be this index. Okay, and in key, and one is hide. Okay, hide should be, let me show you, false. Okay, state dot fab song. Okay, so let us add, yeah, so now it is getting added properly, right? So now what we have to do, so our application is almost done. So now we have to add the cross icon. Okay, suppose somebody wants to remove the song from this liked song. Okay, and let us do one thing. On the left nav bar, this favorite song. Okay, here I statically write 4 song. Okay, so let us just add here. Okay, favorite song dot length. Okay, so right now we have 4 songs. If we add some other song, so see, this is also getting updated. Okay, so let us add a cross button here. Okay, such that whenever we click on that cross button, that song should be removed from the list. Okay,